doubts? Shall I carry on? Now we discussed only when both of them are factors of right hand side. We will also see what happens if one of them is a factor of right hand side. We will also see what happens when none of them is a factor of right hand side. We will also see what happens if the number of variables increases beyond 2. Everything we will do it in a structured manner. Ninth one, I am sure it is clear. 10th one, 3x plus 7y equivalent to 123. Again, first write down key point. Whatever the point concept which I am explaining right now is ax plus by equivalent to k only when one of them, only one of the coefficients, only one of the coefficients, only one of the coefficients, one of the coefficients, either A or B, either A or B is a factor of right hand side. We are discussing this case. We discussed when both of them are factors of right hand side. Now I am discussing when only one of the coefficients is a factor of right hand side. Only when one of them is a factor of right hand side. First I will solve it in tabular method, then I will tell you the ANC method. Tabular method, which is method 1. Tabular method. Now listen carefully, what is that we discussed? If ax plus by equivalent to k, if x is increased by b, y will be decreased by a. Or if x is decreased by b, y will be increased by a. This is what we discussed. Now see here, tabular form x and y. Start with that one which is not a factor of right hand side. 3 is a factor of 123. 341s are 123. So start with y value 0. If y value 0, 3x is 123. X is nothing but 41. X is nothing but 41. 41 decreased by 7. 34. Y increased by 3. 0 plus 3. Again decreased by 7. Y increased by 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 3. I cannot take decrease by 7. Minus 1 I will get it. So these are the cases. Important point to save your time in tabular method. Start with that variable where the coefficient is not a factor of right hand side. Is not a factor of right hand side. So how many cases we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So non-negative integral solutions. Non-negative integral solutions are total 6. Non-negative integral solutions total are 6. Positive integral solution does not include 0. Does not include 0. So this is eliminated. This is eliminated. If this is eliminated, positive integral solutions is 5 by using tabular method. By using tabular method. I hope the idea is clear. Start with the coefficients which is not a factor. Put y value 0, x 41, decreased by 7, decreased by 7, decreased by 7. Go to that value where upon still decrease I will get a negative value. I will get a negative value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 values where only one value is there, y value 0. So the difference is 1. Why the difference will be 1? Only one of the coefficients is a factor of right hand side. Tabular method. In exam we will not use this tabular method. Time consuming method. It takes a lot of time. Time consuming method. Now method 2. Method 2. Method 2. Method 2. Now see here, in method 2, if ax plus by equivalent to k, 1 of a comma b, if 1 of a comma b is a factor of right hand side, is a factor of k, k by a into b, if you get any decimal, ignore the decimals. Ignore the decimals. If you get any decimals, ignore the decimals. the value of ignoring the decimals after doing k by a into b is nothing but a positive integral solutions. Positive integral solutions. Two positive integral solutions, if you add plus 1, why plus 1? Because one of them is a factor of right hand side. I will get non-negative integral solutions. I will get non-negative integral solutions. I will get non-negative integral solutions. If one of the coefficients is a factor of right hand side, take k by a into b, ignore the decimal. 3.1 is 3, just ignore everything after dot. 3.9 is also 3, ignore everything after dot. 3.1 is 3, 3.9 is also 3, ignore everything after dot. Please make a note of this extremely important concept which helps you to save your time. K by a into b is nothing but positive integral solution. Add 1 to it, I will get a non-negative integral solution. Directly by looking at a question itself, you will get the answer. Let us solve this question orally. K by a into b, 123 by 3 into 7. 123 by 21 is 5 point something. Ignore decimal. 5 is nothing but a positive integral solution. Add 1 to it. 6 is nothing but a non-negative integral solution. Directly you got 5 positive, 6 non-negative. 5 positive, 6 non-negative. Let me take another exam replica question. 4x plus 5y equivalent to 484. 4x plus 5y equivalent to 484. 4 is a factor of 484. 5 is not a factor of 484. So 484 divided by 20, which is nothing but 24 point something. Ignore everything after decimal. 24 is nothing but a positive integral solution. Add 1 to it. 25 is nothing but a non-negative integral solution. We discussed a case where one of them is a factor of constant and both of them are factors of the constant. I hope this 10th problem is also extremely clear to you. Both of them are factors of constant and one of them is a factor of constant. Let us see this question. 6x plus 4b. Please remember, already we discussed it. Don't forget the fundamental thing. ax plus by equivalent to k. These one. HCF of a comma b is nothing but 1, where a comma b are co-prime. This should be there. You cannot deviate from this fundamental concept. 6x plus 4b is equivalent to 500. 6 and 4 are not co-prime to each other. HCF is 2. Simplify the equation. Write the equation is the most simplest form where you cannot further divide it. So if I take 2 into 3x plus 2b, it is nothing but 2 into 250. 2 cancel. 3x plus 2b is nothing but 250. 3x plus 2b is 250. 2 is a factor of 250. 3 is not a factor of 250. So one of them is a factor of right hand side. So it is 250 by 3 into 2, 6. So these nothing but 6 4s are 24, 10, 41 point something. That means 41 will be positive. Add 1 to it. 42 will be non-negative. 41 is positive and 42 will be non-negative. I hope the idea is clear. Same thing, if both of them are factors of right hand side, we did it. If one of them is a factor of right hand side, we did it. I hope the idea is clear. Not a single doubt, you will get it in my class. Those students who are watching this video on a teacher's day, we are giving a special 30% discount to the students who are interested. You can WhatsApp 805 this number right after the class to get a special 30% discount. Almost 9 students have purchased from the morning first session. In case if you are interested, save this number and you can WhatsApp me. Right after the class you can purchase the course. The course has close to 4,500 videos. amazing content. Those of you don't know, if you type Anil Nair classes Bangalore, we stand number 1 in Google reviews all over India in terms of the content. The second best is close to 20% of our reviews, close to 3643. You can check in Google, type Anil Nair classes Bangalore reviews. You can check yourself. Close to 3643 plus people gave a rating of 4.8 out of 5. You are going coaching anywhere, you can check how many reviews your coaching center got it. You will see a Zameen aur Asman ka difference. Next one. Another beautiful question. 3x plus 6y equivalent to 1, 2, 3, 4. Example. 12 plus 15. 12 plus 15 is 27. This is a multiple of 3. This is a multiple of 3. 27 is also a multiple of 3. 3x plus 6y equivalent to 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a multiple of 3. This is a multiple of 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Divisibility rule of 3 is sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. 10 is not divisible by 3. 10 is not divisible by 3. Answer is no solution. Answer is no solution. You don't need to write, condense it and do it. 3x, 3 is a multiple of 3. 6y, it is a multiple of 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 should be a multiple of 3. If it is a multiple of 3, you can condense it and use a method. I will develop a question based upon that one also. 1, 2, 3, 4 is not a multiple of 3. So answer for this question is no solution. Suppose if it is a multiple of 3. If it is a multiple of 3. Suppose if it is 123. Condense it. So 3 into x plus 2y is nothing but 3 into 41. 3 cancel. X plus 2y is nothing but 41. 1 is a factor of 41. 2 is not a factor of 41. So one of them is a factor. 41 by 1 into 2, which is nothing but 20.5. Ignore decimals. So 20 will be the positive integral solution. 20 will be the positive integral solution. And 21 will be the non-negative integral solution. 21 will be the non-negative integral solution. 21 will be the non-negative integral solution. 20 will be the positive integral solution and 21 will be the non-negative integral solution if the right hand side is a multiple of 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 is not a multiple of 3. If in case if it is a multiple of 3, this is the method to be used. 12th one, I hope it is clear. The question can also be asked like this. In how many ways 107 rupees can be paid using 1 rupee, 10 rupees and 50 rupees? If 1 rupee if I take x coins, 10 rupees if I take y coins, 50 I can take z rupees. So the equation will become x plus 10y plus 50z. X plus 10y plus 50z is 107. Is this equation clear? Just by looking at a question itself, I can say z value cannot take more than 2. Because if z takes 3, 50 into 3 is 150. 150 is greater than 107. Z is 0. So x plus 10y is nothing but 107. Coefficient of x is 1. 1, it should be a 107. 1 is a factor of 107. So 107 by 10, which is nothing but 10.7. 10 is positive, 11 will be non-negative. I hope it is clear. Z is 1. X plus 10y equivalent to 57. So 57 by 10, which is nothing but 5.7. 5 will be positive, 6 will be non-negative. Z is 2. X plus 10y equivalent to 7. 7 by 10 is nothing but 0.7. 0. So it is 1. 11 plus 6 plus 1 is 18. I hope the idea is clear. You try to do it by using enumeration. It takes a lot of time. I hope you have understood why z value cannot grow beyond 2. Z0, Z1 and Z2. If Z is 0, x plus 10y is 107. If Z is 1, x plus 10y is 57. Z is 2, x plus 10y is 7. So one coefficient of x, 1 is a factor of 107. Here also it is a factor. Here also it is a factor. K by A into B. It is not specified that minimum one coin should be taken out of 1 rupee, 10 rupees. You might not take any coin also. I will give all 107 1 rupee coins. Y is 0, Z is 0. I will take 2 50 rupee coins and 7 1 rupee coins. Y could be 0. X, Y, Z can take 0. X, Y, Z can take 0. Because it can take 0, I have to use non-negative integral solution. I have to use non-negative integral solution. I will use non-negative integral solutions because it is not mentioned that at least one coin should be taken. No coin can also be taken. 13th one, I hope it is clear. 14th one. What if none of them is a factor? None of them is a factor. Right? Note, again important key point. Important key point. First thing, it is of the form ax minus by equivalent to k. Ax minus by equivalent to k. If x is increased by b, y will also increase by a, because there is a minus sign. Plus ab and minus ab, it will get cancelled. That means for this equation, if x increases by b, y will also increase by a. Y will also increase by a. If x decreases by b, y will also decrease by a. Minus ab plus ab. If x decreases by b, y will also decrease by a. Y will also decrease by a. Because it is minus, x and y are directly related. If x increases, y also increases. If x decreases, y also decreases. Key point 1, I hope it is clear. Key point 1. Key point 2, none of a comma b. What is the last case that we are discussing? None of a comma b is a factor of right hand side. None of a comma b is a factor of right hand side. 4 is not a factor of 1, 7 is not a factor of 1. Two cases. First, we will do a method, then we will use a unique answer option elimination approach. 1 and 2. I hope it is clear. Now, let us solve the question. How I will solve this question? Solution. 4x minus 7y equivalent to 1. So, these are nothing but 4x equivalent to 7y plus 1. 4x is nothing but 4y plus 3y plus 1. This is divisible by 4. This is divisible by 4. 3y plus 1 should be divisible by 4. What is the lowest multiple that is divisible by 4? 3y plus 1 is 4. Y minimum is nothing but 1. We have to find out the minimum value of a variable. So x and y. If y minimum is 1, 4x minus 7 is 1, 4x is 8, x value is 2. I hope it is clear. Then if x increases by, x increases, y also increases. X increases by 7, 9. Y increases by 4, 5. X increases by 7, y increases by 4, 9. Question, there is a range on y. Only I will focus on these values. Lowest value is 1. Every time there is an increase of 4. Every time there is an increase of 4. 1 plus 4k, it is less than 100. 4k is less than 99. K is less than 24 point something. K cannot be 0. Why? Because 4 into 0 plus 1 is 1. Y should be greater than 1. That means k can take all the values from 1 till 24. 1 to 24 is 24. None of them is a factor of right hand side. 24 non-negative I will get, 24 positive I will get. 24 non-negative I will get and 24 positive I will get. Please observe this question carefully. Observe this question carefully. 4x minus 7y is 1. 4x equivalent to 7y plus 1. 4x equivalent to 7y plus 1. 4x is 4y plus 3y plus 1. This is divisible by 4. This is divisible by 4. This should be divisible by 4. 3y plus 1 should be divisible by 4. So y minimum it is 1. If I substitute y minimum 1, 4x is 8, x is 2. It is 2, 1. Y increases by 4. 1, 5, 9 and everything. The form of y is 1 plus 4k. K cannot be 0. If k is 0, I will get 1. I will get 1. Are you all with me? I will get 1, but y is greater than 1. So k is less than 24. K will take all the values from 1 to 24. Answer for this question is there are right 24 values. I hope it is clear. Now just by logical understanding of the question, you can eliminate few answer options. Now see here. Y is increased by 4. Y is increased by 4. What is the lowest value which I got? 1. That means for every 1, 2, 3, 4 there is a value. 5, 6, 7, 8 there is a value. 9, 10, 11, 12 there is a value. In a group of 4 there exists one value. In a group of 4 there exists one value. From 2 to 99, total 98 values are there. In a group of 4, there exists one value. Answer is 24. I hope it is clear. Y minimum is 1. In a group of consecutive 4, there exists one value. In a group of consecutive 4, there exists one value. Like that, there are 24 fours are. 24 fours are group is there. D is there. So this group I am not taking because y is greater than 1. So 24 fours are 96 and it is the last group with 3 values. Here the first value it is there. So here I got 23, here I got 1. 23 plus 1 is 24. Definitely answer cannot be less than 23 because in a group of 4 definitely one value is there. In 98 there are 24 groups and extra one more group with 3 values. Even though if y is greater than 1, first group even if I eliminate, remaining 23 groups one definite value will be there. So answer has to be greater than 23. It cannot be less than 23. You can eliminate by using answer option. You can eliminate by using answer option. I hope the idea is clear. Just to give you another understanding of this question, I will solve question number 15. 4x minus 17y equivalent to 1. 4x equivalent to 17y plus 1. So this is nothing but 4x is 16y plus y plus 1. These divisible by 4, divisible by 4. Y minimum is nothing but 3 because y plus 1 is 4. Y minimum is 3. If y minimum is 3, y minimum is 3. 4x minus 51 is 1. 4x is 52. X value is 13. Y is growing in terms of 4. So 7. Y is growing in terms of 4. 11 and so on. Lowest is 3. Every time there is an increase of 4. 3 plus 4k is less than 1000. 4k is less than 997. So k is less than 24, 240, for 24s are 96, 37, 49 point something. So k, can it 0 to 249? 0. Can I take 0? If k is 0, 0 into anything 0. 0 plus 3 is 3. the lowest value y is greater than 1, 3 exists. 0 to 249, totally 250 non-negative, 250 non-negative and positive integral solution exists. I hope it is clear. Again I am saying how to eliminate incorrect answer options. Y is growing in terms of 4. That means in first group of 4, there should exist one value which satisfies. In a group of 4, there exists one value. 2 to 999, 998 divided by 4, 249 and another group 2. Are you all with me? So every group one value 249. Here also there is one more value. Are you all with me? Idea is clear. Very easy question. You can eliminate incorrect answer options if you know this approach. 15th one. 16th one. For how many positive integral values? For how many positive integral values does the equation 3x minus 3ny equivalent to 5 has no integral solution? This has zero integral solutions. This has zero integral solutions. When it will have 0, this is a multiple of 3. If n is a multiple of 3, 15 minus 12 is 3. If this is a multiple of 3, this is a multiple of 3. Answer has to be a multiple of 3. If n is a multiple of 3, if n is a multiple of 3, this is a multiple of 3, this is a multiple of 3. Answer has to be a multiple of 3. But 5 is not a multiple of 3. I will get 0 integral solutions. 0 integral solution. That is what I want. 0 integral means there exists no integral solution. So n should be a multiple of 3. n is less than 40. So n will be 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and so on up to 39. Total 13 values n cannot take. If it takes, it will have no integral solution. I hope it is clear. N should not be a multiple of 3. If n is a multiple of 3, this is a multiple of 3, this is a multiple of 3. 5 is not a multiple of 3. 5 is not a multiple of 3. Idea clear?